Welcome, everyone, to another episode of Financial Level. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that concerns absolutely everyone, the global economy in 2025. Is the world heading into a massive financial crisis, or are we on the verge of new financial opportunities? We'll explore. 1. What's currently threatening the global economy? 2. Which sectors are struggling and which ones are booming? 3. How can you protect your savings and even capitalize on economic uncertainty?
Exactly, John. I'm hearing so many mixed opinions. Some experts are warning about an impending financial disaster, while others claim now is the time to invest aggressively. Today, I'll be asking you the tough questions. Are we heading toward another Great Depression? Which investments are safe right now? Should the average person be worried? Or is this all just media hype?
And most importantly, we'll break it down into practical steps so you can make informed financial decisions no matter what happens next.
Let's get straight into it. John, give us the big picture. What's really happening with the global economy right now?
All right, let's start with the hard data. The world economy is in a delicate state, and here's why. Global economic slowdown. The U.S. economy is losing momentum with GDP growth slowing down. The Eurozone is teetering on the edge of recession. China, the world's second-largest economy, is facing major real estate and debt issues. Inflation and interest rates. Governments are struggling to control inflation while central banks are keeping interest rates high. This means borrowing is expensive, which affects businesses, real estate, and even everyday.
So, John, let's make this real for the audience. If I'm an average person, what does all this mean for me? Should I be worried?
Great question. Here's how the economic slowdown impacts your daily life. Cost of living is increasing. Prices of food, gas, and housing are going up. Wages are not rising fast enough to keep up with inflation. Real estate market instability. Mortgage rates are historically high, making it harder to buy homes. Some experts predict a housing market crash, while others see it as a temporary dip. Job market uncertainty. Many companies are cutting costs and freezing hiring. AI and automation are replacing jobs, especially in retail, logistics, and tech.
So, does this mean a full-blown recession is coming? Or is there still hope?
It's not all doom and gloom. While some industries are struggling, others are booming. That brings us to the next key question. Where's the money flowing right now?
All right, John. Let's talk about investments. If the economy is so shaky, where should people put their money?
There are three major investment categories people should be looking at right now. 1. Traditional assets. Gold and silver, precious metals, are a hedge against inflation. Stocks, some industries like AI, energy, and healthcare are still performing well. Bonds, with high interest rates, bonds are becoming attractive again. 2. Real assets and commodities. Oil and gas, energy prices are volatile but still profitable. Agriculture, food production is a stable, growing sector. Land and real estate, while housing is risky, farmland is gaining value. 3. Cryptocurrency and digital assets. Bitcoin is holding strong. Could it be the new gold? Blockchain technology is expanding into banking and logistics. Some altcoins and NFTs are gaining traction in Web3 projects.
But, John, a lot of people are scared of investing right now. Some say it's better to just save cash and wait for things to stabilize. What do you think?
That's a fair concern. But just saving money isn't enough. Inflation is eating away at cash savings. The key is strategic investment and diversification.
So, John, let's break it down into actionable steps. What should the average person do right now to protect and grow their money?
Here's a 5-step financial survival plan for 2025. 1. Diversify investments. Don't put everything into one asset. 2. Build an emergency fund. Keep at least 6 months' worth of expenses in cash. 3. Cut unnecessary debt. Avoid high-interest loans and credit card debt. 4. Increase your income. Look for side hustles, freelancing, or upskilling. 5. Be smart about big purchases. Now may not be the best time for a new car or house.
This is great advice, John. But what about the future? Where's the world economy actually heading? And that's exactly why we're having this conversation. John, before we wrap up, what's your final piece of advice for our listeners?
Let's look at some major trends that will shape the world by 2030. The dollarization, some countries are moving away from the US dollar. How will this affect global markets? Automation and AI. Will AI replace jobs or create new opportunities? Green energy and tech innovations. Will investments in solar, EVs, and AI drive the next economic boom? The world is changing fast, and those who prepare will be the ones who succeed. Here's my advice. Stay informed, stay flexible, and take control of your financial future. The economy may be unpredictable, but your financial success depends on the choices you make today. Comment below. What's your strategy for 2025? Where are you investing? Subscribe for more financial deep dives. We'll keep you ahead of the curve.